Hi guys, in this video I am going to explain print function in Python. What is the use of print function in Python? How can you use the print function in Python? The main usage of the print function for required output of the end user. Now I will explain always in print function. The first way is without argument. How can you use the print function? So print and closed parenthesis. Just to click enter plus control plus end. So now your print function provide one line break space. Suppose if you want to write one more print function, once again run the code. Now you provide two lines print. So the print function always by default you provide one line break space without any. Then the print function provide one line break. By default, the print function always provide one line break space. The second thing, how can you use print function? String values. Print, I want to write one string Ramu of learning. Now we run the code. Then the print function provide same value. Suppose if you whenever you use any string values, you must and should use double quotes or single quotes or triple quotes, no problem. Python accepted three types of quotes: single quote or double quote or triple quote. This is the second way, using the print function. The third way, how can you use the print function? The third way, if you want to use arithmetical plus operator, how can you use in print function? Directly write print soft print Ramu using plus operator soft plus learning. Now then the right run the code automatically. The plus means concatenate two strings. This is the third way using the print operator, print function. The fourth way, suppose if you want to use multiplication operator, how can you run the print function in multiplication? Print Ramu soft star 5. Then you run the code automatically. The print function provide 5 times Ramu soft, Ramu soft, Ramu soft. This is the way of the print function. The next way is the how can you use the print functions values? Suppose a comma b comma c equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30. Okay, in Python this type of statements allowed. Print a comma b comma c, run the code automatically. 10 space 20 space 30. The print function always by default provides space values. If you want to change the space value, then the one attribute is called separator, comma SEP equal to /t. Now the print function provide each and every value in between tab space. If you want to use escape character /n, run. The automatically /n means every time provide one line break. This is the way using the print function. Then the next way, a comma b equal to 10 comma 20, sum equal to a plus b, print sum of the two values, comma a plus b. Okay, print sum of the subtraction of the two values, a minus b. Now if run the code automatically, sum of the two values 30, subtraction of the two values minus 10. So actually the print function always print one value. After that the cursor move next line. If you want to stay same line, then the one attribute is there, that is called end attribute. End equal to /t. If you run the program, then automatically both two values print only single line. You want to change attribute value /n. /n means automatically the previous result. So if you want to change attribute value equal only single line, both two values print. This is the one type. The another way, in using print function, a comma b equal to 10 comma 20, sum equal to a plus b. Now using the format, int braces or curly braces and curly braces, sum equal to curly braces. If you want to store, if you can show the values in curly braces, then use the dot format, format format. The first place can show a value, the second place can show b value, the third place can show some value. Then run automatically 10 and 20 sum equal to 30. If you want to show the values differently, suppose if you want to, the a value means this is the first value, b value means second value, c value means third value. This is the one way. The another way, how can you use the print statement? So the another a comma b equal 10 comma 20, sum equal to sum equal to by default sum. Once again run the code. This is the correct. And previously sum equal to a plus b. That's why the value show the sum equal. Okay, sum equal to a plus b. Now you change the values 30. A comma b. Print %d and %d and sum is the equal to percent. Like in C language, generally this type of syntax using in C language. Percentage a comma b comma sum. Now run the code. So 10 and 20 sum is the 40. So this is the how the print function used. Thank you for watching. I will discuss more about next video, how you can handle the multiple if statements in Python. Thank you.